Welcome to Analects of Wisdom, where we distill timeless wisdom from the world's most profound spiritual and philosophical texts. Today, we embark on a reflective journey through the Jap Ji, the foundational hymn of Sikh scripture, composed by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the revered founder of Sikhism, where we distill timeless wisdom from the world's most profound spiritual and philosophical texts. Today, we embark on a reflective journey through the Jap Ji, the foundational hymn of Sikh scripture, composed by Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the revered founder of Sikhism. The Jap Ji opens with the Mool Mantra, a succinct yet profound declaration of the nature of the divine. It begins with the words, "Ik onkar satnam karta purach nirbau nirvaira kalmurat ajuni saibhang gur prasad." This opening encapsulates the essence of Sikh theology. Guru Nanak reveals that there is one creator, eternal and self-existent, fearless and without enmity. The divine is beyond birth and death, realized through the grace of the Guru. Let us reflect on this unity of existence. In a fragmented world where identities often divide, Guru Nanak's vision reminds us that beneath our varied labels, there lies a single source of life and consciousness. Consider this. How might recognizing this unity transform the way we view others and ourselves? From the Mool Mantra, the Jap Ji flows into a series of stanzas, or pauris, each offering deep spiritual insights. Guru Nanak begins by posing a pivotal question. How can one achieve true union with the divine? How can the veils of falsehood be lifted to see reality as it is? The answer is direct yet profound. Hukam razai chalna, Nanak likhiya nal. To walk in harmony with divine will, as inscribed upon our being, is to align with truth. What does it mean to live in harmony with the universe's flow? Guru Nanak speaks not of blind submission, but of attuning oneself to the deeper rhythms of existence. Imagine a river flowing effortlessly towards the ocean. How might your life change if you ceased resisting its currents? Guru Nanak's Jap Ji continues by elucidating the nature of Hukam, or divine order. Everything in the universe, from the movement of celestial bodies to the breath in our lungs, operates under this cosmic order. Yet the human mind, often clouded by ego, struggles to grasp it fully. Hukmai andar sabko bahar hukam na koi. The entirety of existence unfolds within Hukam, nothing lies beyond its scope. Reflect on this. Could our struggles and anxieties stem from a lack of alignment with this universal order? And if so, how might we begin to realign ourselves? As the Jap Ji progresses, Guru Nanak introduces the concept of listening, or Suniai. Listening in this context transcends the physical act of hearing. It is a deep, meditative receptivity to the eternal truth. Through true listening, even the wise, the powerful, and the spiritual luminaries gain enlightenment. The very elements of earth, ether, and sky resonate with this divine frequency. Consider this. How often do we truly listen? Not just to others, but to the voice of intuition, the whispers of the universe. Guru Nanak emphasizes that listening is incomplete without the complementary act of accepting, or Mannai. To listen is to open one's heart. To accept is to embody what is received. He writes, Mannai surat hove man buddh, Mannai sagal bhavan ki sood. Through acceptance, one's mind and intellect are elevated, and one gains awareness of the cosmos. Reflect for a moment. What truths have you encountered but resisted embracing fully? If you're enjoying this journey into the Jap Ji, consider subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue exploring sacred wisdom from around the world. The Jap Ji then shifts to explore the concept of Sach, or truth. Guru Nanak declares, Aad Sach, Jugad Sach, Hai bhi Sach, Nanak, Hosi bhi Sach. Truth was, truth is, and truth shall ever be. This eternal truth is not merely an abstract idea, but the very essence of existence. It invites us to anchor ourselves in the timeless rather than the transient. How might our lives transform if we oriented ourselves around the eternal rather than the fleeting? In subsequent stanzas, Guru Nanak reflects on the limitations of human intellect and effort in comprehending the divine. No amount of scholarly effort or ritual can grasp the infinite. Instead, Guru Nanak points towards humility and devotion as pathways to the divine. What might it look like to approach life with this spirit of humility? The Jap Ji also speaks of the power of Naam, or the divine name. Naam is not merely a word, but a vibration that connects one to the divine essence. Guru Nanak urges constant remembrance. In the ambrosial hours of the morning, contemplate the divine name and its greatness. Pause and reflect. How often do we begin our day in gratitude and remembrance? How might such a practice shape our experience of the day? As the hymn draws to its conclusion, Guru Nanak paints a vision of spiritual liberation, achieved through selfless service and devotion. He writes, "Gave suniye man rakhiye bhav dukh par har sukh kar le jaye." By singing and listening to the divine word with love and devotion, one transcends suffering and finds inner peace. What role does devotion, in its many forms, play in your journey towards fulfillment? The Jap Ji concludes with the Salok, a summation of its teachings. Pavan Guru Paani Pita Mata Darat Mahat. The air is the teacher, water the father, and the earth the great mother. This verse calls us to live in harmony with nature and honor its wisdom. How might we realign our lives to honor this sacred relationship with the natural world? Guru Nanak's imagery of nature is particularly poignant. The Jap Ji suggests that the elements around us are not mere resources, but spiritual guides. Ponder this. Could embracing nature as a teacher deepen our spiritual practice? Further, the Jap Ji elaborates on Seva, or selfless service, as a path to realization. Guru Nanak's philosophy centers on the idea that serving others is a direct expression of serving the divine. He states, "Through selfless service, devoid of personal gain, one connects with the Supreme." Reflect on this. How might acts of kindness and generosity lead to a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment? The hymn's emphasis on Naam Simran, or meditative remembrance of the divine name, resonates as a cornerstone of Sikh practice. Guru Nanak's words urge a life rooted in mindfulness and gratitude. How can we cultivate a daily rhythm that incorporates these principles? Finally, the Jap Ji touches on the cycles of karma and liberation. Guru Nanak explains that freedom from the cycles of birth and death comes not through material wealth or power, but through devotion and divine grace. By divine grace, those who embody the name shine brightly and are liberated. Reflect. In what ways can surrendering to grace bring lightness and clarity to our lives? Thank you for joining in this exploration of the Jap Ji. May Guru Nanak's timeless wisdom inspire you to live with greater peace, understanding, and intention. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to check out more of our videos that delve into the teachings of other sacred texts. Until next time.